Imagine biting into a juicy slice of watermelon on a hot summer day. You taste the sweet, refreshing juice, and you know summer has truly arrived. Now, imagine that watermelon comes from the heart of Indiana. That's right, Indiana. While not typically known for its watermelons, Indiana farmers grow some of the best. Indiana watermelons are special. They're grown with care and tradition, bursting with flavor and nutrients. This essay is a journey into the world of Indiana watermelons, their history, their impact, and their deliciousness. So, grab a slice and let's dive in. What makes Indiana watermelons a healthy treat? Let's dive into the juicy details. They're more than just a tasty snack. They're packed with vitamins and minerals that are good for your body. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Think of them as nature's candy, offering a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Plus, they're low in calories, making them a perfect addition to any diet. One big benefit is hydration. Watermelons are mostly water, about 92%, making them perfect for staying hydrated on hot days. This high water content helps keep you cool and refreshed. They're also full of vitamins A and C, important antioxidants that help your body fight off harmful things. These vitamins support your immune system and keep your skin looking healthy. And don't forget about lycopene. This powerful antioxidant gives watermelon its red color and may have even more health benefits. Lycopene is known for its potential to reduce the risk of certain diseases. It might help protect your heart and even your skin. Including watermelon in your diet can be a delicious way to boost your health. So, enjoy that slice of watermelon, knowing it's doing good on the inside and out. It's a treat that your body will thank you for. Ready to test your knowledge about Indiana watermelons? Take this quick quiz. We'll reveal the answers at the end. What gives watermelon its red color? A. Chlorophyll. B. Lycopene. C. Beta-carotene. D. Anthocyanin. What percentage of a watermelon is water? A. 65%. B. 75%. C. 85%. D. 92%. What vitamin is not abundant in watermelon? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. D. None of the above. What is a popular way to preserve watermelons in Indiana? A. Drying. B. Canning. C. Smoking. D. All of the above? Watermelons in Indiana share a long and fruitful history. For generations, watermelons have been a staple at family picnics, community gatherings, and summer celebrations across the state. Their presence evokes a sense of nostalgia, bringing people together and creating lasting memories. Watermelon festivals are a testament to this enduring love affair. These festivals, held in towns across Indiana, celebrate the harvest with watermelon-themed games, contests, and of course, plenty of delicious watermelon to enjoy. These events bring communities together and highlight the vital role watermelons play in Indiana's cultural fabric. Section 5, From Seed to Feast, Generations of Know-How. The story of Indiana watermelons wouldn't be complete without understanding the dedication and expertise of the farmers who grow them, tirelessly working season after season. For generations, Indiana farmers have passed down their knowledge of watermelon cultivation, adapting their techniques to the local climate and soil, ensuring the best possible yield. Early farming methods often involved using horses and mules to plow the fields and plant the seeds, a labor-intensive process that required great skill and patience. Today, while technology plays a significant role in improving efficiency, the core principles of caring for the land and nurturing the crop remain unchanged, blending old and new practices. This dedication to tradition ensures that each Indiana watermelon carries the legacy of generations past, a testament to the enduring spirit of the farming community. Section 6. Grow your own sweet success. Inspired to taste the freshness of a homegrown Indiana watermelon? You're in luck. Growing watermelons in Indiana's climate is achievable with the right knowledge and a bit of effort. Here are some tips to get you started. 1. Look for varieties well suited to shorter growing seasons, like Sugar Baby or Blacktail Mountain. 2. Plant seeds after the last frost when the soil is warm. 3. Watermelons thrive in full sun, needing at least 6 hours daily. 4. Keep the soil moist, especially during fruit development. 5. Provide the necessary nutrients for healthy growth. Section 7. Savor the flavor. Sustain the land. Indiana watermelon farmers are increasingly committed to sustainable farming practices, ensuring that future generations can enjoy this beloved fruit. They employ techniques like crop rotation, cover cropping, and integrated pest management to minimize their environmental impact. Preserving the harvest is another aspect of sustainability. Traditional methods like canning, freezing, and pickling allow people to enjoy Indiana watermelons year-round, reducing food waste and preserving the flavors of summer. Section 8. Indiana watermelons, a source of local pride. The impact of Indiana watermelons extends beyond the dinner table. Watermelon farming plays a vital role in the state's economy, supporting local communities and fostering a sense of pride. From farm stands to grocery stores, Indiana watermelons create jobs and contribute to the livelihoods of many. Watermelon festivals, too, provide a significant boost to local economies. They attract visitors from near and far, generating revenue for businesses and showcasing the unique character of Indiana communities. Section 9. Keep the watermelon love flowing. There you have it, a glimpse into the juicy world of Indiana watermelons, where each bite is a burst of summer. From their nutritional benefits packed with vitamins and hydration, to their cultural significance and economic impact, Indiana watermelons are more than just a tasty treat. They are a symbol of community and tradition. Now, for the answers to our watermelon quiz. 1. The sweetest variety is the Sugar Baby. 2. Watermelons are 92% water. 3. They originated in Africa. 4. Indiana ranks among the top watermelon-producing states. As summer days beckon and the sun shines bright, seek out the sweet, refreshing taste of an Indiana watermelon. Visit a local farm, explore a watermelon festival, or try your hand at growing your own in your backyard garden. By supporting local farmers and savoring the unique flavors of Indiana, you become part of a delicious tradition that celebrates community, sustainability, and local agriculture. Embrace the simple joy of a perfect summer fruit and let the watermelon love keep flowing.